This air filter has a 5-micron filter element that will remove moisture droplets and debris. The bowl is made of aluminum, and has an easy-to-turn manual drain valve with an outlet port for the remote drainage. A water level gauge on the bowl will help you easily monitor the water and debris level so you know when you need to drain it. A remote drain kit with a 5-foot hose and 2 fittings is also included. By collecting excess water, your system will be protected to ensure a longer lifespan.